Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Sujit here from Benzene. And in this video, we're going to talk about a very simple concept of how to create a blocker or dependency for a ticket in ADO. So let's start. So creating a blocker or dependency in ADO is also fairly simple. Let's say we have a user story and we have a task from other team which we are dependent on. So let's see how we can create a blocker or dependency. All you have to do is go to that user story or any work item which is dependent on some other task. If you scroll down to the bottom right corner, you will see a button called Add Link. Click on that. Here you will have two options. If you have a task on which the story is dependent already available, you can select that by choosing existing item. Or if you want to create a new task, telling that this story is dependent on the task which is going to be created now. In that case, you will have to select new item. In this example, I'm going to show you all how to select a ticket which is already available or existing, and we're telling that this story is dependent on that task. The moment you hit on add link button, this model will show up. In the issue link type dropdown, you have to either select predecessor or successor. If I select predecessor and mention a task here, that means the work item is dependent on this task to be finished. On the other hand, if I select successor and select a work item here, that means this work item blocks the work item which or sample task which is added here. In this example, I wanted to show you all how to create a blocker or dependency for this user story 10. So I'm going to select predecessor and select a sample task which I had already created. The moment I hit on add link button and scroll to the bottom right corner of the ticket, I can see that this story is blocked by sample task here. So this is how we create a blocker or dependency in ADO. Thank you so much for watching this video. We sincerely hope it helped you all. And please do subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so that you stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you.